So around 1 year ago, I made this video explaining how to make money with Snapchat Spotlights. Well, since then, as of January 1st, 2024, Snapchat has explained that they're completely changing their monetization system. The rules are going to be in effect on February 1st, 2025. So in this video, I'm going to go over all the requirements that you need to meet and that I will be meeting to make money on Snapchat in 2025. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Bennett Santora. I'm a student at Cornell. I have over 1 million followers on my main channel, Fly Juggler, and then I also have a bunch of faceless channels that I run, which are also on Snapchat. So I've been looking at for a long time how their monetization features actually work, and I've actually been paid by them, so I know a lot about it. And I also literally know some people that work at Snapchat or have direct connections to Snapchat employees. So yeah, I've been working on this and learning about it for a long time, which just gives some credibility to what I'm about to explain in this video. But anyway, let's take a look at the new Snapchat monetization program. So first of all, I'm going to leave this website in the description, but Snapchat literally explains on their website how to make money with the new monetization program. So it says, learn how to make money with Snapchat, and here's pretty much what Snapchat is talking about. The new Snapchat revenue share program, which they say is launching February 2025. So if we click here, further details can be found. So what Snapchat is calling this is the new unified monetization program for creators. What does that mean? Well, it means that Snapchat Spotlights and Snapchat Stories are now going to be paid under the same program. So these used to be two separate programs that had two separate requirements to actually make money with on Snapchat, but now they're all going to be part of the same program that you just need to hit certain requirements and you will be able to get monetized on it. So first of all, eligible creators will be able to monetize Spotlight videos longer than 1 minute. So only videos longer than 1 minute are going to be eligible for monetization. If you know anything about any other platform, you know that this is literally to directly compete with TikTok, who also only rewards you for videos over 1 minute long. All of these platforms are trying to get longer form content pushed out so they can get people to stay on the platform for longer and ultimately make more money off of them from ads. So that's the first interesting thing. You won't be able to just spam short pieces of video and make money from it. You need all of your videos to be over 1 minute long. And now for the requirements to actually get accepted. So first things, you need to have 50,000 followers. If you don't know how to gain followers on Snapchat, I made a video on what I believe is the easiest way to gain followers, which I'll leave in the first link in the description. Requirement number 2 is you need to post at least 25 times per month to save stories or spotlights, which means pretty much you need to just post 1 time a day until you get accepted. Number 3, you need to post either to Spotlight or public stories on at least 10 separate days. So again, if you just post once a day, you'll be completely fine with that. And then lastly, you just need to achieve one of the following in the last 28 days: 10 million Snap views, 1 million Spotlight views, or 12,000 hours of view time. Now, in my opinion, there is one thing on this that is way easier than all the other ones, and it's 1 million Spotlight views. I probably have over 100 million Spotlight views on Snapchat, so getting 1 million is not that hard. But you might be wondering, how do I actually do this? How do I post to Spotlights or Stories and actually get views on these things? So let me first quickly recap how to post on Snapchat Spotlights, and then I'll explain why I believe this is the easiest way to get a lot of views. So busting out the iPad for this, but basically you're just going to go and select any video and click this arrow right here. And then as long as you have a public profile made, there will be something called Spotlight, which you can click on and upload to. What this does is basically if you swipe all the way to the right on Snapchat, it has a very similar thing to TikTok or YouTube Shorts or to Instagram Reels. And so this is what Snapchat Spotlights is, which basically means if you just take viral content from TikTok or Instagram or anything like that and you just repost it on Snapchat, you'll be able to pretty much grow very, very quickly because it's the same type of content that would go viral in that format, just on a different platform. That's why I believe Snapchat Spotlights is going to be the easiest way to hit the threshold of 1 million views compared to Stories. Now, Stories shows up when you swipe to the right once, and all of these people down here are posting story posts. These typically have to be a lot more clickbaity and are a lot harder to go viral on. And I personally don't have much experience going viral with Stories, so I'm not really going to explain how to do it when I actually don't know how to do it really, or when I've never done it. But yeah, if you're trying to hit these requirements, I highly recommend you actually start posting now so you could hit the 50,000 follower threshold. And the way I would recommend doing this is by using repurpose.io, and this is how I grew my own accounts personally. So logging into Snapchat and manually posting to Spotlights every single time takes a lot of freaking effort, and it's actually not what I did to grow my own Snapchat. What I did is I just posted to my main platform, which is TikTok, and then I use the software that automatically reposts me on Instagram, YouTube, and Snapchat. And that's how I grew 350,000 followers on Snapchat. So to do this, you're just going to go to the first link in the description and create an account with repurpose.io. It's completely free to start an account, so I just would log in with Google. And then you're going to basically go here and set up connections to your Snapchat and to your TikTok or whatever other social media platform you use. And then you're just going to go to to workflows and click create a new workflow. Then you're going to choose your source as whatever your main platform is. Mine is TikTok, and I'll choose Fly Juggler as my main one, and then choose your destination. So my destination is going to be Snapchat, and Fly Juggler Snapchat is going to be my destination. Then basically you could have it post a spotlight or a story. I want it to post a spotlight, so I just click that and I would just click create workflow. I already have it set up, and once you set it up, you can click auto publish and literally schedule all your existing content as well as any of the future content that you post. So again, I could take all the videos I have posted on Instagram, TikTok, and have them start automatically scheduling one a day. So maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I click that and it'll schedule a post every single day between 9 and 11 a.m. On top of that, you could do the same exact thing, but actually have Google Drive as your origin. So let's say you take a bunch of viral videos from a random account, upload them all to a Google Drive folder. You can set an automatic schedule to start automatically reposting all of those videos on Snapchat, and it'll just one by one take them out of the Google Drive folder and automatically repost it to Snapchat however many times per day that you set it. This tool is so good, like so good, and it's completely free to try too. So I highly recommend you try it. And I actually reached out to this company and they gave me a discount code specifically for you guys, only if you watch it through me. So if you've done the free trial of the software and you do really like it, you can just use code MONEYMIND10 and you'll save 10% per month on your subscription. Again, try it out for yourself. It's completely free to start, and only if you actually like it, then you can pay for it and apply the discount code. It's been absurdly helpful for me in growing my Snapchat and growing on all these other platforms. So yeah, that is absolutely free game, and it's 100% worth the price in my opinion. In fact, to be honest, I'd probably pay double or triple for this and it would still easily be worth it. And funny enough, this is actually what I'm using to prepare my faceless channels to get monetized on these Snapchat accounts. So we're taking all the content that we have on YouTube Shorts and starting to automatically repost all of that content on Snapchat so we could grow to 50,000 followers and be ready to get monetized in the program come February 1st. Anyway, these are the new monetization requirements for the new Snapchat program. I'm really excited about it. We'll see how much it pays. I'll be giving you guys a lot more updates on it on future videos once we see how much money you actually make from it and the best ways to actually make money from it. So look out for those videos, and thank you guys so much for watching. My mission is to make fake gurus homeless by putting out really good free information online about money. So if you like that mission, make sure to subscribe and join the movement. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.